Yeah, hi, I'm going to show you how to play the G chord on the piano, also known as the G major chord. First you locate your root note G, play this with your first finger. Then you locate your next note, the note B, play this with your third finger. Locate the last note, the note D, play this with your third finger. That's the G major chord. Now, because the G major chord is in fact a 3-note chord, you can also have what's known as 3 inversions of the chord. This inversion is called the root inversion or root note inversion because the root note is at the bottom. To make our next inversion, simply move the bottom note of the chord G all the way to the top, like this. Move your hand. This is called G first inversion. To make our next inversion, again move the bottom note of the chord B all the way to the top, like this. Move your hand. This is called G second inversion. Now you'll notice if we make one more inversion, moving the bottom note D all the way to the top, we will in fact be back at root inversion, just like the one we had down here, only one octave higher. So this is G root inversion, and this is G root inversion. Okay? Now we can of course do this backwards or downwards on the piano. This is G root inversion. Now move the top note to the bottom. Then you get G second inversion. Move the top note all the way to the bottom. Then you get G first inversion. And again move the top note to the bottom. And we get G root inversion, right? So let's just do this again. G root inversion. G first inversion. G second inversion. G root inversion. G second inversion. G first inversion. G root inversion. Now to practice these inversions, simply do like this. Root inversion, first inversion, second inversion, root inversion. Root inversion, second inversion, first inversion, root inversion. And lastly, I'm going to show you how you can practice these inversions using arpeggios. Do like this. There you have it, the G major chord. So, I hope you enjoyed this free piano lesson. Do you want more free piano chord stuff? How about a free piano chord chart? Or a free chord inversion crash course? Or a free chord symbols chart? Simply go to pianochordcharts.net and download your free stuff. Click the link below and I'll see you over there. Please like this video to keep our videos free for future visitors. Thank you.